shores of the equator, in the land of 1,000 islands. Indonesia, hailed as the Pearl of the South Seas, a modern industrial base rises from the ground on Bintan Island. Here lies Nanshan Aluminum's Overseas Alumina project. On this fertile ground embodying the vision of Belt and Road cooperation, Rongsheng crossed the seas to undertake the supply and installation of refractory materials for 4 suspension calciners in phases 3 and 4 of the Alumina project at Nanshan Industrial Park in Bintan Island of Indonesia. It not only represents the export of China's kiln engineering technical standards and service systems, but also marks a pivotal step in Rongsheng Kiln Engineering's global expansion. Facing fierce international competition and stringent operational demands, Rongsheng distinguished itself among numerous competitors with its holistic refractory solutions, winning the trust of the Indonesia Nanshan project. To withstand Indonesia's relentless heat, high humidity, and saline mist, the Rongsheng R&D team engineered a bespoke refractory system. Characterized by low porosity, high strength, and superior thermal shock resistance, these materials ensure safeguarding the long-term, stable operation of the furnaces under the most grueling conditions. Facing the challenges of Indonesia's humid and rainy climate, the project department established a comprehensive response mechanism. In material management, temperature-controlled warehousing and moisture-proof packaging were adopted to fortify performance safeguards. In construction organization, dynamic management was implemented with strict adherence to the 3 inspection system, ensured seamless coordination and controllable processes across all construction phases. From the heartland of China to the tropical lands of Southeast Asia, Rongsheng Group leadership visited the front lines, while the project empowered the community by hiring and training local Indonesian talent. By remunerating in local currency, Rongsheng exemplifies the responsibility of a Chinese enterprise rooted in win-win cooperation. Facing tight deadlines and challenging conditions, the Rongsheng team leveraged exceptional project management capabilities, achieved multiple key milestones ahead of schedule, earned full recognition and high praise from the client.
从3期到4期，4台焙烧炉，累计近5000吨耐火材料的供应与施工，在短短5个月的工期内，团队克服海外施工的多重挑战，最终以高标准如期交付。
印尼氧化铝焙烧炉项目是荣盛窑炉工程走向海外的重要一步。我们以过硬的施工质量与服务标准，赢得了客户的高度认可，也为后续海外项目积累了宝贵经验。面向未来，荣盛将继续坚持技术引领、品质为本，加快全球服务网络布局，努力打造具有国际竞争力的荣盛品牌。
From a benchmark kiln to a vast market, Rongsheng's deep roots in Southeast Asia represent a mutual pursuit of craftsmanship and trust. Looking ahead, we will take this project as a new starting point to advance our global strategic layout, drive development through innovation, set new standards with quality, and compose a new chapter in the field of kiln engineering.